Hi, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Michael Mail with Entrepreneurial Freedom, where I show you great ideas and great tools to grow your online business or even start one. So today's video was requested by one of my followers. They wanted to know how I can get, basically how you can post RSS feeds to your LinkedIn page. So we're going to build out this automation, and hopefully you enjoy this video as well. So what you're going to need in tools wise is you're going to need RSS Feed Link, OpenAI key, and you're going to need a LinkedIn account. Now, if you don't have access to an RSS feed, I suggest that you download a Chrome extension, and then you can check certain websites that you like to get some content from and see if they have an RSS feed and use that link. Okay? So let's jump in and get started building this out. Okay, so we're going to back in and we're going to build out a scenario. You're going to create a new scenario. And the first model you're going to need is RSS feed. Okay, and the RSS feed that you want to choose is watch for RSS feeds items. Okay, and then this is where you will put your RSS feed in here. So we're just going to grab my old one. Okay, real quick here, and you're going to paste that in here. Okay, now maximum numbers that means how many feeds, posts, whatever they do that you want to get. So if they're doing 2 or 3 a day, you want to grab all 3 of them and turn it into content and post it onto LinkedIn, you can do that. Okay. But we're going to only use one. So you're going to hit OK. And this screen is going to open up. And what you're going to do is you're going to test it. You're going to select from you're going to select from the RSS feed. So it's going to give you a drop down menu. If there's multiple feeds or posts, it's going to give you. So we're going to use this one because I used the top one earlier to test this. Okay. We're going to hit OK. And then we're going to run it. Okay, as you can see, it's showing it's doing the summary and it's showing that. Okay, so we'll close that and hit save. The next module you're going to need is a multiple variable. Okay, and how you get that is you go to tools, and then you'll see a bunch of different tools in here. And what we're looking for is a set of multiple variances, which is right here. And then we want to add different variances. So this is basically for tones. So I'm going to add 3 of them. So what you could do is click this one, and then you can put what you want here for tones. So I'm going to name that tones. And then I have already chosen what I wanted to write. So you can do that as well. You can choose as many as you want. I'm choosing 3. I find out the content comes out a little better when you choose different types, different variances, different tones. Okay. So we're going to put the names of that in here. And then we're going to choose our tones. Again, you should have this all ready when you're building this out. It makes it a lot easier, okay? As you can see, I'm copy and pasting. Okay, so you're going to go here, and then what you're going to do is get your last one. Now, I named it tones. Tone 1, tone 2, tone 3, just for me, and I'm going to show you why. So I suggest that you make it easier for yourself, okay? All right, so we're putting that there. And all you got to do with this is just basically hit OK and hit save. And an error message is going to pop up. Oh, it didn't pop up. Okay. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to need another variance, okay, which is a short one. Okay. So we're going to go in here and we're going to go to tools and we're going to do the same thing, multivariance. And we're just going to add 1. Okay. And this one is basically you're telling it it's going to tell you what do you want it to do? Sorry. So we're going to go here and you're going to put systems rules here, okay, and then you're going to put like a small prompt, like a short prompt, okay, and then you're going to hit OK, and then you're going to hit save. Okay, let's move that over. The next module you're going to need is ChatGPT. This is going to be very short and easy to build. This is probably going to take about 10 minutes for somebody with experience and maybe 15 minutes who's not experienced. Maybe 20. Okay, so you're going to choose ChatGPT here, which is create a prompt. Let's slide it over. You can see. Now, if you connected your ChatGPT, if you haven't, it's very simple and easy. You just basically click on here. And if you've seen my videos before, you just add your key code in here. Okay, but since I've connected it, it's automatically connecting. Usually once you connect to ChatGPT, you don't have to do it again. There's a couple of modules you have to do that with. Okay, so what you can do is choose your model. I'm going to choose systems, and then I'm going to change my tokens to 1,000. And you can choose whatever you can do, whatever you want. Okay. Oops. I clicked the wrong screen. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now I was waiting for it to come up. Now this is where you're going to add some information from your tools and your variances here, your different variables. You're going to get some information from here. Okay. So that's open. You're going to hit meshes. And then what you're going to do in here is when it comes to systems, you're going to choose systems here. And then right here for content, this is where you're going to put the variance. So what you're also going to do is you're going to put in what you want us to do. So I'm going to type in UR, and then what I'm going to do is get the variance from the top part here, which is the first one. Okay. I'm going to put that in the middle, and then I'm going to type in expert. So that way the system knows that it's expert. Okay. Oops. I think I put too many letters in there. Let me. Okay. Again, you're going to get this is going to be from the first one. Okay. I'm sorry, the second one, the second variable tool. Okay. Now you're going to go down here and add another message, and then you're going to add user. And this is where you're going to put your prompt. Now I'm going to copy and paste this in, and I'm going to leave this set up on the bottom of the video so you know how to add this in. Okay. Now, actually, let's do it this way. Let's get this out of here, and I'll show you exactly how to do this, so you know. Okay, so we're going to put I suggested you break up your prompt into two pieces. You can actually, when you write it, if you create your prompt through ChatGPT, you can do that very simple and easy. Okay, so you're going to put the first part of your prompt in here, and then you're going to go down here, and then you're going to use your summary, which your summary is going to come from. You're going to put in summary here, and put a dash in between there so that way it knows. And then you're going to go in here, and you're going to grab the summary from your from your RSS feed. So you're going to go in here and you're going to look for summary. Let's grab that summary here, right here. And you're going to put the summary right there. Okay. You're going to go into your RSS feed. That's your summary. Okay. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to put all of your tones inside here. So you're going to put a 1, and you're going to, if you got 3, 4, 5, whatever, how many you got, and you put a backslash, and then you go into your tones and you add it from here. So that will be, if you see it blinking, it's the first one. So add that one. And then you just add the second one, put 2, put slash, add the second tone, and then I have added 3. So I'm going to hit enter. Oops, get enter. And then I'm going to add the third one, backslash. Sorry, they're all backslash. Just remember that. Okay. And then you grab your third tone right here. Then what you do is you put any conditions that you wanted to do. If you wanted to make sure it's right if you wanted to write a certain amount of characters, you don't want it to do emojis, anything like that, I recommend you put that at the bottom of here. Okay. And you put a space between there. So I have my conditions written out already. I'm just copying and pasting and putting it into here. But again, you should always have this, you should have this broken up, because it makes it better for the system to grab it. I tested it. It works better if you break up the prompts. So don't try to make the prompts all in one and add this in. It really doesn't. I don't find that it works well. If you find a better way, let me know. But I like to break it up. So I got it broken up here. I got my summary of my RSS, and I got my tones from number 1. See, like that. Okay. Simple as that. Okay, so what we're going to do is you can put as many tokens you want. I have 1,000. Okay, so you're going to hit OK, and then you're going to run it. Okay, you're going to right click. You're going to choose again what you want to the post that you want to grab for, and I'm going to grab this one, and I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to run it. Now you notice that, again, I don't know if you watched any of my videos, I don't like to save anything until I know it works. Everything turns green. It's me. So everything turned green. Okay, I'm going to save it. That way I don't have to do any changes. You're going to go in here, and you're going to go down here to choice. You're going to go down to 1, and you go down message, and then you're going to go down to content, and you can see that it summarized your article from there. Okay. This is a very simple, easy build. Okay, so the final one you're going to need is your LinkedIn. Now, when I connected LinkedIn earlier today, when I was building this out to test it out, it was giving me some issues, but then I think I figured it out. So I will show you. Okay, so what you're looking for is create a user text post. Okay, you create that one right there. And then it automatically logs. Let's move this over. Okay, so again, if you have any not issues, but if you need to log into your LinkedIn, just click it and it's going to pop up a screen to give it permission to log in. Okay. Now, what you're going to do here is simple and it's easy. You're going to go to content and you're going to go over here and you're going to get the content from ChatGPT. Now, some people use results. You can do that, but I find that when I was testing it, that if you get it straight from the content, it's better. So what you do is hit choice, you hit message, and you get the content. Okay, I find that works better. I've tested it. It's for some reason, it didn't give us much detail when it was writing the post. It gave very little. I don't know why it did that, but it did. Okay. So once you do that, then you're going to go in and in your public, you're going to choose public on your here, visible, who you want to see it. And then you're going to make sure that the post distribute is on the main. Okay. Simple as that. Hit OK. You're going to slide over here, make sure this is OK. Okay, and then you're going to run it again. So you're going to right click and you're going to choose where you want it to start from. Again, this is a very short, simple video. You click on that, you hit OK, and then you run it. And it's going to work. Now ChatGPT is getting the information. It is writing it. It's done. Let's check it out. Click on this. You can see that it's been here. So you click on, let's see, where it's at here, content. And here is the information that should have been posted to your LinkedIn account. So let's check out LinkedIn. Let's refresh LinkedIn. Let's go. Go back one. Sorry. And here you go. Here's your post. And again, I like the reason why I grabbed the content from there is because it writes it a lot longer. I noticed that when I was using the results, it was writing it shorter. Again, if someone knows something better than me, please comment at the bottom of the video. Okay. So that's about really it. It's simple and easy. It took us only about 13 minutes to build this automation out. So again, this is for one of my followers. I will mention thank you very much for not showing me, but basically telling me and asking me how to get this out for you. Okay. So if you like this video, comment at the bottom and hit like on the video. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. This is Michael Mail with Entrepreneur Freedom. Thank you for watching my video and I'll see you in the next one and you have a great day. Bye.